Good evening, everyone. We are the team Shroot and we are here to present our healthcare system named Cure. Myself, Arushi, and I'll start the presentation. Our project mainly focuses on solving three major problems faced in the healthcare industry. The first problem arises due to the fact that there is a shortage of doctors, particularly in India. Specifically, in rural areas, people don't have access to good doctors, and thus, if people want to consult a doctor, either it's very expensive or they don't get proper consultation. With our project, we try to solve this problem by making artificial intelligence powered chatbot. The second primary problem we try to solve is maintaining the privacy of users' medical records. Sometimes, insider attacks cause damage to protected health information, which results in the loss, theft, or disclosure of sensitive healthcare data. We try to solve this problem by introducing a blockchain based file storage system, which helps in securing all of the user's data.
The third problem we tried to solve was to ensure authenticity of receipts and prescriptions. This would allow us to prevent people from buying prescription medicines without prescriptions. The insurance companies would be able to verify these receipts and check for fraud without sacrificing the privacy of the users. Now I will explain how we implemented our solution to these problems. Firstly, we built an AI chatbot. Chatbots are interactive applications that are designed to simulate human conversations. Chatbots uses a combination of artificial intelligence and natural language understanding to process inputs and compose replies. The backend of the chatbot was made with the help of Flask framework, and PyTorch framework was used for making the model. And we used a combination of neural hidden layers, activation layers, and finally an output layer. To train the model, we scraped the internet to build a dataset which consisted of a lots of medical queries and their answers. Secondly, we also built a blockchain-based healthcare data record storage system, which allows us to store the data of the patients on a blockchain using Ethereum. It gives patients data to only the assigned doctors, ensuring the data security and its privacy. We also made a blockchain-based chemist shop for ensuring data privacy and to ensure that patients with real prescriptions can take medicines which require a prescription. This would allow us to this would allow insurance companies to have an authentic record without sacrificing the privacy of the patients.
Now I will show you the website and it's working. Here I start with our landing page. This is our landing page with details of the service we provide. That is the system called Cure. Now I am taking you through the landing page. This is our landing page. The NAPA navigates to the different components include the main AI doctor bot, the payment gateway, HOSPO. Uh, this is our AI doctor. This is the main AI doctor side with integrated chatbot. Chatbot name is Dr. Strange. This is our chat system. We write something here. You can see that automatically generates AI generated response. This is how it works. Then we can move back to our home page. Cure. We have also built a chemist payment system. This is our chemist.
Moving on to the chemist payment system, here we have made a system where users can buy medicines using their Ethereum wallet using MetaMask. So when they click on the medicines, an order is placed on the blockchain and a transaction is executed through the Ethereum wallets. And once the transaction is confirmed, uh, the contract has been officially signed and the order is placed. And similarly, any other orders can also be placed and the transaction is executed. And we can see that the wallet has been debited from their account.
We have also built a Mitara chain app, which is a document storage system we have built using Ethereum blockchain.
This is MyTiara Chain, which is a healthcare data record system where patients and doctors can save and see their data. So we have a login system which is linked to a MetaMask wallet and it automatically detects whether the user is registered or not. When we click on the register button, we have an option to enter our name and let's say our age, that will be 46. And then we register ourselves as a doctor. And then we click on the register button. As you can see, a transaction is executed to save our data on the blockchain wallet. And then when we confirm it, the data is saved on the blockchain, it can be retrieved. And this is how we can save a doctor can register on our system.